Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating to Chaos, and today we're going to make a snowman out of the mini grapevine wreaths. I found these mini grapevine wreaths at Hobby Lobby in the Christmas section, and you want to make sure you get them in the Christmas section because they're $4.99, but they're 50% off. The ones in the floral section are more expensive. I grabbed these mini ornaments at Walmart. They're just mini snowman hats. They go on the little mini trees that Walmart sells, and they're just clips. I grabbed some buffalo check ribbon. I grabbed some paddle wire and a floral pick. It's just like an evergreen Christmassy pick. So you're going to take two of the mini grapevine wreaths and put them together, and then you're going to use your paddle wire to wire them together. So I just wrap the wire around where they met, and you can add a little hot glue if you want more stability. But they seem to hold fine with just the wire, depending on how tight you can get the wire. Then I took one of the little hats, and they were decorated, but I didn't really like the way they looked. So I kind of ripped everything off of it, including the clip, and I took my buffalo check ribbon and added a strip of it around the top of the hat. Well, I wouldn't say the top, the brim of the hat right above it. I'm going to kind of decorate it myself. Then I just cut off little pieces off of my Christmas pick, and I'm going to glue those onto the front of the hat. Then I kept the berries that I pulled off the hat from the original design, and I just stuck those on top of the greenery that I had put on the hat. And now it looks super cute. Next, I took some more of my greenery and I just cut off some pieces. And I'm going to glue it to where the two grapevine wreaths meet. So I just added some glue and glued on my greenery right there. And then I did the same thing with the berries that were on the pick itself. I just pulled a couple off and then added them to the greenery. And then I made a tiny little buffalo check bow, and I added that to the center, right on top of my greenery. Then I thought it kind of looked a little plain. There wasn't enough greenery, so I added a couple more pieces. The bow was a little too big and kind of took over the greenery. So I figured a couple more pieces and it would make it look full enough. Once I had that all done, I just took some hot glue and I glued the hat to the top grapevine wreath. And I did it kind of toward the side of his head. And I trimmed off some of the curlies that were on the grapevine wreath to get the hat to be able to sit. So you put some hot glue on and hold it for a minute, and you have a super cute little snowman made out of the grapevine wreath. I added a twine hanger at the end to hang it on my tree. This project was super fun, super cute, and super easy. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to sprinkle if you enjoyed this video.